Credit card interest rates can increase due to several factors. One reason is late payments. Failing to make payments on time will result in a penalty, which is a higher APR that applies to the outstanding balance. To avoid this penalty, it is essential to make all payments on time. A drop in credit score also makes an individual a higher risk, prompting the credit card issuer to increase the interest rate, with notification provided to allow for debt reduction or the option to opt out and find a new card with a lower rate. Additionally, promotional interest rates, which typically last between 6 to 12 months, will eventually end, and the credit card issuer may increase the interest rate afterwards. To avoid this increase, it is crucial to keep track of when the promotional offer ends and pay off the balance before the interest rate rises. Understanding these factors can help individuals manage their credit card debt and interest rates more effectively.